and they go out on social media and be like, look, this is the one solution for everything.
16, 17, 18, 19, coming, sitting with their mothers, saying things like, so I had 2 whiteheads and I applied salicylic acid. Girl, why?
Coming back to the social media buzz and influencing part of it, teenagers these days we see are much more into taking care of their skin and becoming conscious about little things like acne or pimple than the generation say a decade ago.
Yes.
So have you seen patients who are very young coming to you asking for different sort of skin treatments, and how do you actually deal with them?
A lot, actually. So I have so many girls, 16, 17, 18, 19, coming, sitting with their mothers having a very different idea for how the child should take care of their skin. But these girls, they are coming from a different area of motivation, saying things like, so I had 2 whiteheads and I applied salicylic acid. Girl, why? It's an acid. You're saying it yourself. It's an acid and you're only 16.
Why are you applying it?
Why are you applying it on your face? And who really directed you? I have seen my own patients coming in for acne treatment. Once their acne is treated, they go out and become skin influencers. And they go out and tell that, apply this one miracle cream and your acne will be gone in 20 days. They don't tell about, with that cream, which moisturizer did I give them so that their skin barrier does not get damaged. Which sunscreen did I give them so that the skin is protected while they were using that acid.
Of course.
Which cleanser did I give them so that your skin pH is balanced while you're using that acid. So they would give this incomplete information and the reels would go viral because they know how to make the reels.
Right.
But doesn't mean they know dermatology.
Of course, that is so true. I mean, I have seen a lot of videos of not just kids like that. There are influencers and so many other people who probably get a cream from their dermat and they go out on social media and be like, look, this is the one solution for everything.
Correct.
Obviously, it's not true. So have you any, other than your own patients who have gone out like that, have you ever seen other influencers? Because you yourself are very active on your social media like that. Have you seen other people or celebs or somebody selling stuff like that and you see and it's like, it's wrong?
It does happen all the time. There are people selling miracle mask or instant skin lifting treatments, things like those which make absolutely no sense. Even I think people watching the video also know that this cannot work. You know, you cannot apply that mask and suddenly look 10 years younger. But I have no idea why. I think that is the reason why those videos get viral because it is an idea that people would want to have but they cannot.
One cream that would solve everything for me.
Yes.
Now talking about these remedies, as I was saying, our parents have a completely different idea of treating, acne, pimples, pigmentation. For example, if I tell my mother I've spent 600 on a sunscreen, she would come and say your tan can be removed if you apply Upton in a minute. Right. So do you support home remedies and DIY masks and packs and all?
I think DIYs and viral hacks, these are more hype than help.
Okay.
Because there are multiple things to consider. One is that it's not a copy paste that you do one treatment, one home remedy for every person in your home. Right. Everyone has a different skin type. There are multiple, see, it's very fascinating because, when you do home remedies, you feel more creative.
Of course.
And you're using all natural ingredients, quick, cheap. So it's obviously fascinating. But again, you have to know that the ingredients that are being used, they can actually damage your skin. They can actually damage the skin barrier because the pH is very extreme. Like lemon, vinegar, used very commonly in home remedies. Then there's baking soda commonly being used. Now these are extreme pH products.
Of course.
So in a longer run, or maybe even 4-5 application, for many people in single application, we do get people getting extreme dryness, chappy skin, redness after applying these things. Similarly, eczemas are very common.
Right.
Remedies that have cinnamon in it, people applying pure tea oil on their acne, essential oils without dilution. So these can actually cause more harm than good.
Okay. Now, you must have seen a lot of different types of clients. What are some bizarre demands that they come to you with? Instead of, many times there are people who don't know what a treatment is, but they just come that I want this. So have people come to you with bizarre, unrealistic demands like that?
All the time. They always come with some photos. I want a lip like this, or I want a cheekbone like Kareena Kapoor's 10-year prior photo. They would come with showing how a celebrity transformed from a darker skin tone to a lighter skin tone. So yes, these kind of demands come in. So I have to deal with it. With educating them, emotionally supporting, so that they also feel heard, but also they are grounded to reality. So yes, I first try to identify their skin type, make them educated about their own skin. What is their genes, what is their lifestyle which is making their skin behave in a certain way. What are the issues? Open pores, texture, fine line, wrinkles, uneven tone, pigmentation. What is the issue that you are having, and what natural results can be achieved with it? And also I try that whatever is digitally altered, I try to show them, because it's not only the treatment.
Right.
The celebrity images, they also come with a lot of filters.
Exactly.
They also come with multiple editings. So that's why we always post, if you see our page, every week we post at least one patient story, so that it shows the real results, what is actually medically and naturally and safely possible. We try to show the real before afters. If you have acne or you have acne scar, what is the actual result that you can get?
That will show up, right.
It will never be 100%. It will always be 60 to 80%. If you have pigmentation, you could still get 100% result. But there's a journey to it. It's
Of
not,
course.
one miracle
It doesn't
cream which will
happen
just do
over-
it in 10 days. So unless it's a very strong steroid, which will later on damage your skin.
Of course.
So yeah, these are the things.